Welcome to today's episode of the NC Miata track car build. Today we're going to be doing the final component necessary to get the car out on track for our first testing session. This is a roll bar, and I went with the Blackbird Fabworx RZ, which is SCCA and NASA approved. This is going to be our rollover protection on track and is actually going to be the thing that allows us on track in most cases, so it's a very important component to get into the car, so let's get it in. This picture here is as deep as I ended up getting into the car, with the entire interior stripped out down to the bare metal. This is when the new roll bar was ready to go in, and for whatever reason, as you probably know, the Blackbird roll bar manufacturer / owner doesn't want any pictures of the bar itself online, so I decided to respect that and not show the bar. It's basically the same process in reverse. We're now ready to install it and put the interior back together. So what you're seeing here is the finished product of the Blackbird Fabworx RZ roll bar installed into the NC Miata. As a whole, I'm very happy with how it turned out. I put SFI padding on there because I do drive this car on the street sometimes, and if I get rear-ended, don't want to hit my head on pure steel. I also went ahead and installed a Goodwin Racing tow hook. This is just going to be able to get the car off the track if I had any issues. But once again, overall, very happy with how it turned out. The install took about 12 hours and was definitely worth the money. And with that, our NC Miata track build is finally ready to actually see its first testing session. That's going to be coming very soon here. It's been a good process to get the car up to this point, but I'm finally ready to get it out there and actually see what it can do. So looking forward to that. If you want to stay tuned for that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.